Welcome to another pronunciation lesson, and today we're going to continue talking about the consonant sounds in Portuguese. So let's now talk about the letters C and H combined. They will sound something like sh, sh, and combined with the vowels, we will say sha, she, she, sho, shu. Let's see how to pronounce these words you see on the screen. Please repeat after me. Chave, chave, cachecol, cachecol, mochila, mochila, cachorro, cachorro, chuva, chuva. Be careful because it's not cha. It's sha. Now let's talk about the letter X. In many words, the letter X will be pronounced just as we just saw for the combination CH. So they will sound like sha, she, she, sho, shu. Let's say the examples below. Xadrez, xadrez, peixe, peixe, México, México, roxo, roxo. If you are wondering how would you know when it's written with CH or X, you will learn many words with time and you will end up knowing how to spell them. But in terms of pronunciation and sound, whenever you see these words written with CH or X, they will be pronounced the same most of the time. So let's continue. Besides the CH and the X, I would like to talk to you about another combination of consonants. And this is the combination of L and H. It sounds something like lia, lia. For example, lia, lie, li, lio, liu. Let's try to pronounce these words on the screen. Please repeat after me so you can practice your pronunciation. Ilha, ilha, mulher, mulher, velhice, velhice, olho, olho, silhueta, silhueta. This sound is very similar to the double L in Spanish. Let's continue. Now, another combination that also involves the letter H is NH. Now, for those who already know Spanish, this combination of NH will sound exactly the same as the ñ in Spanish, as in the word España. Ña, ñe, ñi, ño, ñu. For example, unha, unha, dinheiro, dinheiro, banhista, banhista, ninho, ninho, nenhum, nenhum. Now let's practice with some exercise. You will see some words on the screen and you have to pronounce them out loud before I tell you the answer. Ready? And the answer is mexilhão. Bruxa, bruxa. Amanhã, amanhã. Medalha, medalha. Chaleira, chaleira. coelho, coelho. Chapéu, chapéu. And the last one, rainha, rainha. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, leave them down below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye, ciao!